Spread the TikTok love, yeah. I'm above average. What is average? Can y'all tell me what average is? Oh, that's the truck's calling me. Yeah, Banksman. I love my Tahoe too. I have a lot of good memories in my Tahoe. But anyways, I took it to the shop and the guy pulled right out. He was super nice. Shout out to him. He's like the nicest person yesterday. And he fixed it for 40 bucks. 40 bucks. I'm sure the part cost 40 bucks. Like, what a nice guy. I know, it is kind of long, right? It is long, I know. You have a 2010 Escalade. They're similar. I have an 07 Chevy Tahoe, so it's got that same kind of body style. I didn't do anything for him. He was just really nice. I did have my shorts on, yes. But I always have my shorts on. And you know the funny part was he knew where I lived. He knew where I lived, so wonder how he knew. He said he recognized my grill. He said, I drive by your house all the time. I recognize your grill. This is where you live. I don't know. My Tahoe's an 07. He's a stalker. He was really nice, so. It's in my bio. I can't, if I could say it, I would, but I can't. So, dog or cat? I only have a cat now, unfortunately. Yeah, small town friends. I think that's fun. I'm pretty, friendly, so I talk to everybody when I'm out. So maybe I've talked to him before and I shouldn't recognize him. 360, I'll get up. That's fine. Anyways, I have a cat now. My dogs died right before my kids were born. It really sucks. I used to have German Shepherds. I had two. I had father and son. I loved them. They're the only dogs I would have. Thanks. I'm glad you like the pics there. I'm married, yes. So I'm 5'10". I wear a size 9 shoe. A pool shepherd? What's that? I think I did. I'll show them again, I guess. I think you see it better from this side. I don't know. I don't know. I'm glad you guys love it there. It's cool, right? I'm sorry it's not as spicy as it used to be, but I think I'm saving the spicy for other things. No, I don't have toe rings. I do not have toe rings. There's no string. Hi in DC. How is it there? Is it crazy? Squat test them. I don't think I'm gonna squat test. Yes, my feet are ticklish. I'm doing good. That's probably all. No, I can't do that. Hi, Steve in the UK. Yeah, I can't do that, guys. People are watching me, I promise. I'm doing good. I don't know the answer to that. For a little while. What's a little while? Like 5 minutes. Why would you want to be stuck under there? Hi in Tennessee. What's up? What happened to video? I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you mean. A week? That's a long time. A week's a long time. I don't know. What would we do for the whole week? You do. I don't think I'm gonna do the live there. I don't think I'm gonna do it, yeah. I'm gonna do it somewhere else on Saturday at 10. I'm not gonna change. I'm not changing today. Turn it back on. Can you not see me? Can y'all see me or no? I don't know what that means. Thank you, Barstool. Oh. I think it's just you, John. I think there's something on your end. Everybody else can see me. Oh, yeah. Okay, everybody else can see me. Okay, Eric, thanks. Stand up. I'm gonna stretch. I don't know, Ron. I've been spicy there for a long, long time. And I think I'm just gonna start being spicy just kind of somewhere else. So this way all my really good friends can just see it there. You know? William, I have a lot of people that hate me. I don't know why. I don't know why. Hug you using the whites. Yeah, I don't know why. Hi in Italy. I mean, if they want to hate on me, they could, but they hate because they ain't us. I mean, if they need, like, some help, I'm willing to give them some advice instead of being hated on. I wish they would just ask me instead of snooping on my stuff. 360. I'll stand up in a minute, y'all. So I found, yeah, I think they dropped me more. So I was going through my